To add your Presto card to Apple Pay, start by making sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and that you have the latest version of the Presto app installed from the App Store. Open the Presto app and sign in to your account. Then navigate to the card management section where you can see all your registered Presto cards. Select the card you want to add to Apple Pay and look for the option to add it to a digital wallet. Tap on the Add to Apple Pay option and you will be redirected to the Wallet app on your iPhone. If prompted, sign in to your Apple ID account to authenticate the process. In the Wallet app, you will see the details of your Presto card, including the card number and the transit agency. Review the terms and conditions of adding your Presto card to Apple Pay. Then tap Agree to add the card. Your Presto card is now added to Apple Pay and you can use it to pay for your transit fares by simply tapping your iPhone on the Presto reader. You can also view your card balance, transaction history, and other details directly from the Wallet app. To use your Presto card with Apple Pay, make sure you have a valid and funded Presto account, and that your iPhone is unlocked and has enough battery life. When you are ready to pay, simply tap your iPhone on the Presto reader and the fare will be deducted from your Presto card balance. It is also a good idea to set up a default card in the Wallet app so that your Presto card is always selected when you are using Apple Pay for transit payments. This will make the process faster and more convenient for you. By following these steps, you can easily add your Presto card to Apple Pay and enjoy a more convenient and cashless way to pay for your transit fares.